Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to take screenshot without buttons on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. Now from here, just locate the take screenshot button in your control center. Now if you cannot find the take screenshot button in your control center, just tap on the edit icon, then tap on edit. Now just find the take screenshot button from here. Now just tap on the take screenshot button to add it to your control center, then tap on done. Now after that, just open your control center and tap on the take screenshot button to take a screenshot without using the buttons on your smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can take screenshot without buttons on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.